Hello, Fred.
Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about car sharing. Jamie, what is car sharing?
Car sharing is a group of people in the same car going to the same place. But this does not want to say 10 in a car. And it does not want to say one in a car. So, what is exactly car sharing? We are going to ask two accustomed of car sharing what they do exactly. Fred, you are with Maurice.
Yes, I am with Maurice, who usually does car sharing. How do you do this?
I'm a student. I usually do car sharing with people from my neighborhood in the morning and evening to go back to university. Every day, our friends take me and each other friends to our home and we go together to the university. Often we are 5 in the car.
Thanks, Maurice. No, I am with Mr. Dupont, who does car sharing to go to work.
Yes, I work far from my home, that's why I do car sharing with my job's colleagues. We give us an appointment in the start town, then we leave with only one car.
Thank you, Mr. Dupont.
As we saw it, these people explain us two methods to do car sharing. First, one person goes to take their friend in their home. For example, I live in Brest and I have two friends in Rennes and in Le Mans. I go take my friend in Rennes and after I go take my other friend in Le Mans to go to Paris, for example. Secondly, we can have an appointment and go next to a place. If I live in Brest and my brother lives in Nantes and we want to go to Paris, we must have an appointment to Rennes to go to Paris after. But what are the interests to do this? We are going to speak with other people to know their thoughts. Fred, you are in a street of La Roche-sur-Yon and you are looking for a passerby to interview him.
Yes, I am with Robert. Robert, what do you think about car sharing?
To my mind, car sharing has only advantage. First, it gives me back a lot cheaper because the costs are dividing between us. But I find it too very convivial since I do car sharing with friends.
That's all?
No. Moreover, thanks to car sharing, there are fewer cars on the road. Fewer cars means fewer traffic jam and fewer accidents.
Thanks, Robert. I found one person with another point of view.
Yes, I think it's lame, because we depend on the car's driver and other passengers, depending on their schedule. Moreover, the journeys are more long when we get car in first.
There is a solution, having an appointment?
No, because people are always late.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Jamie, does it have impacts on the environment?
So, car sharing have advantages and drawbacks in its functioning. But the real advantage allows to reject fewer greenhouse gases and thus to pollute less and to reduce the impacts on the global warming. Indeed, car sharing can save some species which are victims of global warming, as coral and white bear.
Tomorrow we will talk about renewable energy. Goodbye.
Global warming. We're looking for lower respect. Stand up and be counted, don't ever let them chop us down. Global warming. You gotta know. Oh yes. Stand up and be counted, don't ever let them cut us down. The storm of life has come to wash away my fears. And this is sacrifice, we make a change. Make a change, make a change. The preservation of the ancient forest growing. It's our common goal to rearrange. What about the wildlife? Save them from extinction. Have a sense of purpose. Putting up resistance. Destroying Earth was not just planned. It's the work of man. Global warming. We're looking for lower respect. Stand up and be counted. Don't ever let them chop us down. Global warming. You gotta know. Oh yes. Stand up and be counted. Don't ever let them cut us down. Servants of creation, Mother Nature calls. The weeping clouds above with acid rain. Acid rain, acid rain. The smell of the pollution, a poison in the waters. Help us save our world from all this pain, yes. So much pain. Give me a reaction for some satisfaction. Not into submission, this a revelation. You're just as guilty standing there to show me that you care. Global warming. We're looking for lower respect. Stand up and be counted. Don't ever let them cut us down. Humanity. Stop this insanity. Sanity. Gonna take a you and me. Make a change. Make a change. Make a change. Says I'm talking solidarity. Authority. It's gonna take a you and me. Change it, change it, change it, change it, change it. Check it. Checking, I'm looking, observing. I want you to say global warming. We're looking for lower respect. Stand up and be counted. Don't ever let them chop us down. Global warming. 'Cause we've had enough. Oh yes, oh yes. Stand up and be counted. Don't ever let them cut us down. Never let them chop us down. Never let them cut us down. Never let them chop us down.